The Office of the Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities, in collaboration with Meghalaya Development Urban Authority (MUDA), today organized a sensitization program on the rights of persons with disabilities concerning accessible transportation. The event aimed to enhance awareness and understanding among the stakeholders. Over 60 bus drivers from the Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission (JNNURM) buses actively participated in the program. They received crucial training on handling persons with disabilities and ensuring accessibility within the buses. The event witnessed the presence of I.W. Ingti, Secretary of Social Welfare Department, along with officials from the Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities, MUDA and various stakeholders.
The right for persons with disabilities is a significant piece of legislation aimed at ensuring that individuals with disabilities have equal access to transportation services and facilities. The state government is also in line with the provisions of the Act. With regards to the accessible transportation, the state government has recently notified the state-level constitutive committee for monitoring the functions of accessible transportation of persons with disabilities.
The University of